But anyway, no, maybe if you can mention, who do you think are the leaders now that we see in whatever sector, education, government, or politics, or in industry, where you can say with the way that they are doing now, they will continue on even after their death. Ang daya mo Sir Rico, iba, for politics.
There are no permanent friends, so we could not predict for permanent.
Even followers, as you mentioned, ma'am ko, even followers, ma'am, nasalit na ako followers, ma'am. Kasi ingon sila nga last election, atag declaring kabili ka election. Ingon sila. So, sabi kay, sa imo sa bunta na sa lima, ano na sa lima, So, I mean, I'm looking at weird analogy of, what does even the follower change. Even the, your market change abruptly. If we know that the market of Samsung is really in Asia. So it's a matter of time that Samsung will really dominate Asia, rather than Samsung is blocked in Europe right now because of the anti-trust case between Samsung and but here there is the Asia gusto mo tinatanawin na well kung territorial na natin ng circuit nato, nobody should touch Asia but Samsung.
We are the strongest now in Asia. Okay, since you mentioned Asia and dominance, there was a time when the only first world country in Asia is Japan, right? But few years ago, we know that the biggest and the most solid bank in Japan went down. That's why we've heard so many executives, so many employees, committing suicide. In fact, it was featured in the Time magazine. They were in their suits, and then they slept on the floor of the subway. They don't like to go home. They don't have a job. They cannot afford to go home. They're so concerned with honor. Like, I have no honor if I cannot provide for my family. And eventually, many of them committed suicide. But
that's the highest form of honor for them.
Yeah, that's the highest form of honor.
You're seeing a large story.
Which is not the Filipino kind of honor. But I know. And then, so, let's learn a lesson from there. Because if you read the social scientists giving comments about this phenomenon, they said Japan should reinvent themselves, which will speak well. We've already had the word that we mentioned about flexibility and how the leader will evolve. So what can you tell us? Like the biggest and one of the most solid banks. The most solid bank in Japan, and it's the first world, one of the first worlds, the only first world in Asia, and then it went down, and people are saying Japan will be invested.
Yeah, one factor of that would be their succession planning. They obliterated one generation of their race. The problema doon is, who will be taking care of the elders, and who will be taking care of the kids. And unfortunately, you don't have kids anymore to grow up and to take care of the elders and stuff. But it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. The study of economics. It's a matter of time that one company goes down, one country goes down, and one country goes up. Everything is going up for China right now, and of course, South Korea has been very progressive in terms of having businesses in all the places. You know that dagang kayo sa mga talito sa South Korea. And the problem there in Japan is the inventing part is, the people are very reluctant in going for the changes. And after that, they are being discussed in the top 5 world's biggest economy in the world. So, yun ang problem. The succession planning and then their ability is not so adaptive to these changes. But, Doc, ang problema ng kanila, maybe siguro dumating na rin ang panahon na wala ng tao na tutulong sa pag-progress ng country. They think their rate, their population is aging. They may have one of the highest mortality rates. I think that's after Nepal. So the problem there is, it's going to, every time you have an elder, you're going to pay pension. And where would you get pension if you are not able to raise payment for the vast population for your country?
The implications with our education. Another leadership issue, like for example, if you look at the population figure of the Philippines, the pyramid, right? Our base are the students, which are so many, and we only have very few, so it's a pyramid. If you look at the population figure of Japan, it's almost like straight line. That's why in the Philippines, one leadership challenge is the fact or skills to control our students and the Catholic Church abuse in the case of Japan, for example, right? Would be one. If we push for family planning, so that we don't have overcrowded classrooms, so that if epidemic happens, we don't overcrowd the hospital, and then there will be medicine for everybody because there will be very few population to take care of. But what is the downside? The downside is the rest is mentioned by Cliff as the case of.
So are you trying to imply that you are against the